G'day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single week. Now if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Now guys, I do just want to mention that we've absolutely been nailing these markets. In one of my recent videos, Bitcoin ETF Silver News, we called the top and we absolutely nailed that trade. So whereabouts are we going from here, guys? Well, if we have a look at the Bitcoin chart on the weekly, I do want to point out some bearish signs. So when we pull our Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low of our cycle, we can actually see, guys, that we came up and we touched our Fibonacci golden pocket here, and we've actually got a rejection from that level. Now, this is the key level that I've been eyeing out for months. Now, if we actually have a look at some of our indicators for a second, and we go to a daily time frame, we can actually see that going up to that key level, we actually printed a bearish divergence where our price action was going higher, but our momentum waves were going lower. And this is how we were actually able to call that as a local top. Now, since then, we have had a bit of a correction, but where are we going from here? Well, guys, if we actually zoom out and we look at history to see what the price has actually done in our last cycle, let's have a look at our 2017 bull run. So when we pull a Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low of the cycle, we can actually see that when we came up to that level at the Fibonacci golden pocket, we actually got quite a big retracement here, guys. We got quite a big move down, all the way back down to the 0.23 and below. So guys, if we actually measure this move, we can actually see that we did get 72% retracement. That was because of the COVID wick. And if it wasn't, it was actually closer to around a 50% retracement. Now, technical analysis can't really predict the whole world shutting down, so I do believe that was a bit of a black swan event, but regardless, we did get quite a big move down after hitting that golden pocket. And if we actually have a look at our previous cycle before that, our 2014 run, let's see what happened as well. So if we pull our fib from the high of our cycle to the low, we can actually see again that as soon as we hit our Fibonacci golden pocket, we again got a massive move down to the downside. If we actually measure this out, this one here at the bottom of the wick was actually about a 39 to 40% move, which is quite a big move down. Now, do I believe we're going to see a move like that again? Well, there is the possibility. So what range am I going to be targeting for us to go down? So the first level here, we can actually see a very key level. So I'm just going to make a little box here at around the $32,000 mark. So this is our key level of support and resistance, guys. So we can actually see that once we got above this level, this is when we actually went into price discovery. We actually made a massive move to the upside. So I would say that it's more probable than not that if we were going to get a big move down, that this is the key level that I would be targeting price to go to. And if we actually measure from the high to that level, that would only be about a 35% drawback. And looking at our previous bull cycles, that's nothing out of the ordinary for Bitcoin to do. So I do believe that we are going to get a bit of bearish action leading into the halving, and we are likely to get a pullback to that level, guys. And how am I going to play this, guys? Well, right now I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into the market with buy orders at this key zone here. Now, let's look at some more local timeframes for a second. So we can actually see here that we've actually broken into bearish market structure. And what do I mean by this, guys? Well, previously, what we were doing is we're actually making higher highs and higher lows. And we had been doing this in an uptrend. But now, we actually made our first lower low. So we've broken bullish market structure, and we're now in bearish market structure as soon as we broke below these wicks down here. Now, we could see a bit of a pullback in the short term, but we may just come up and hit, sorry, that's not the indicator I was looking for. We may just come up and hit our Fibonacci golden pocket. So it wouldn't surprise me if in the short term, based on how our momentum waves look, if we do get a bit of a pullback to the upside before putting in a lower low, because we're now in bearish market structure where we're making lower highs and higher lows. So it wouldn't surprise me if we were to see something like this. And just based on how our momentum wave indicator looks, it does look like we're about to print a green dot on the daily chart, and for this momentum wave to start curving to the upside to give us a slight move up in the short term before we do get a bigger move to the downside. But besides that, guys, that's pretty much all I've got for today. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching, make sure to message me on Instagram or Twitter, or if you would like to purchase my top 10 picks for 2024, the coins that are going to be the most profitable and make you the most amount of money, make sure to send me a message and let me know, and I can send you the details for that. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.